What happens when a footballer walks out on his contract? Well, Article 17 of the FIFA regulations on the status and transfer of players is the provision that answers exactly that question. Article 17 governs the consequences of terminating a professional football contract without just cause. The core principle is straightforward. The party in breach must pay compensation. The amount is calculated by considering several factors, including the remuneration remaining under the contract, the time left on the deal, up to a maximum of 5 years, any fees the former club paid to sign the player, and whether the breach occurred within the so-called protected period. The protected period is the first 3 years of a contract signed before the age of 28, and the first 2 years of a contract signed at 28 or older. If a player or club terminates within that window, financial compensation alone is not enough. Sporting sanctions apply on top, meaning a player can be banned from playing for several months. The landmark cases that shaped how Article 17 is applied today are Webster and Methusalem. In Webster, the Court of Arbitration for Sport ruled that the player only needed to pay the remaining value of his contract. In Methusalem, the same court took a different view and applied the positive interest principle, meaning the club was entitled to be placed in the financial position it would have been in had the contract been honored. Methusalem was ordered to pay 12 million euros. Article 17 has been significantly reshaped since then, most recently following the Diarra ruling by the European Court of Justice in October 2024, which challenged key aspects of the provision's compatibility with EU law. The dust has not fully settled yet. I hope you have learned something today. Repost and follow for more.